Welcome to RCindustry.
Well, yeah, that's the best stuff you can put in a battery when it's low. Hey, it's Rick here. Well, what a cold and nasty October day. Oh, I guess fall is upon us. Cold weather, I don't like it, but hey. I guess if it didn't get cold and then get spring again, we wouldn't appreciate spring and summer. Or at least that's the seasons I like. So anyway, enough of that. What I'm going to do, we don't even have this project complete yet with old Blackie over here, and already going to go look at a possible new project. So if I can film it on the way, I'll show it to you when we get there, or if I can film it when I get there, we'll see what the guy says. And if it quits this raining, we might take a trip to the junkyard, but we may not get anything accomplished. Anyway, show you more. I gotta tell you, it's really raining out. And it's like 55 degrees, but it's just so damp and the wind is blowing, it just makes it really cold. Hey, I don't really know what this truck's going to be like, but I've been watching it on Marketplace for a while, and the guy dropped it yesterday, dropped it $500, so he must be motivated to sell. So I still think he's asking too much for it, unless it's a real diamond in the rough, but rough meaning the way it looks from the pictures. So anyway, we're going to go check it out, and I'll try to show you more when we get there. Bye for now. Show you more. Thanks for tuning in. We're up to 216 subscribers as of this morning, by the way, so thank you for subscribing, and hopefully we can get another old junker going for another whole segment. So anyway, oh, you know, it's just fixing up an old truck and making it like brand used. Alright, well, the old GPS there says we're real close. And there is an old boy down here that's got a bunch of old junk cars and a little shop or something on the right. That maybe, it looks like that's where it's telling me this truck's at, so we'll just have to see. Like it's gonna be right here, and the gate is shut on there. I bet that's it right there. Alright, looks like he ain't open, so I'll have to give him a text to find out what's going on. Alright, show you more. Well, that was a bust. Like most things that I get involved with on Marketplace, only about 50% of them are accurate. The truck was indeed sitting there, but the person that ran the ad is not the person that has the garage where the vehicle is sitting, and he knows nothing about it, and now I can't get a hold of the guy or person selling it on Marketplace, so they're not getting my money. So anyway, well, thanks for coming along with the ride, or coming along for the ride. So I think I'm just going to go back home and probably work on the master bathroom. I need to work on that project, for those of you who follow that one. I haven't gotten anything done to that for a while, so I think I'm just going to go home and work on that. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I hope it's a little warmer where you're at. Bye.
Walking down the street, I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run. Hi, baby.